got two of the most affordable pool robots on Amazon, and I put them to a head-to-head test to see, well, which one is better. If you got a pool, if you're tired of cleaning it or paying somebody to clean it, and you don't have a ton of money to buy a super expensive one of these, this video's for you. I'm gonna show you how well each of these cleans, what the differences are, and which one I thought did the better job. Oh, so shiny. Now that I got them unboxed, I'm gonna show you a couple things that I like, especially with the Gosvor. So first off, the filter. They give you two of these. When your pool's all super nasty, you want this to stay in. I also like how smooth that is. No bumps, just nice and slick. The Y-Bot is a little bit chunkier. Its filter is a little bit flimsy, but it is bigger. And then trying to fit this thing back in is a little bit tricky. I don't know if you guys care about weight, but this is about, oh geez, twice as heavy as this. That's fairly light. I'm curious to find out which one is gonna clean better because these are huge brushes compared to these guys. And then also how well it climbs. The tracks are not really beefy, where the Y-Bot has huge old grooves. And then both of these are pretty simplistic to operate, it looks like anyways. Power button, power button. The Gosvor has a big handle. The Y-Bot has a small handle. I'll take them to the pool and see which one does a better job. For this review, I went to two pools. The first is a very smooth fiberglass one. Okay, pool hasn't been cleaned in over a month. It is a little foggy. The second pool is a little bit more gritty, and it's got a shallow and a deep end. I started with the fiberglass pool, and for that one, there's a ledge around almost the entire pool. Before I tossed these in, I added the extra buoyancy. For the Gosvor, you do need to remove the track, and then this piece, and then just put the styrofoam right there and put it all back together. For the Y-Bots, there's this piece that's filled with styrofoam that you just screw in. Okay, so before I just throw these into the pool, I wanna show you the differences. And the first one is the size. The Gosvor is about 3 inches shorter than the Y-Bot. And I tell you that because if you have a shallow part of your pool, this one can get buried within a foot of water. This one does not. And with it being completely buried in water, it just functions more properly. This one didn't really know what was going on. It was confused. It had its head sticking out of the water and it just did not know what to do. The second thing are the tracks. These tracks are just not that tracky. Allow me to demonstrate. Now, I thought the Gosvor wasn't gonna climb that well because the tracks weren't that beefy, but that wasn't the case. It easily climbed up the shallow and deep ends of the pool, and the ledge that I thought it was gonna have a problem with wasn't at all. It stalled for a second and then continued to power up it. Easily coming up. Once it got to the top, it popped out of the water about 3 inches and just scrubbed out waterline for about 5 seconds. When the Y-Bot climbed that same area, it hit the ledge, powered through the ledge, and continued to climb up. Popped out of the water a couple inches and was just scrubbing that water line. I was curious how well it would climb stairs, so I took it over there and it climbed both the first and the second stair. And every now and again, it popped itself up out of the water trying to climb that third stair. But since it wasn't very deep, it backed back down. Every now and again, the Y-Bot made it to the second stair, but most times it couldn't get past the first one. But the stair that it did clean, it cleaned really well. The frame is designed to fit more in those tight spots that you get with stairs. I'm gonna show you the scrubbing brushes because on the Gosvor, this one is smaller, but it feels less flimsy. And as I was in the water, it just sounded like it was scrubbing more, scrubbing harder. Really getting that gunk. I don't know why I keep on saying gunk, gunk, gunk. I'm stuck on it and I can't stop saying it, gunk. The Y-Bot's brush is bigger, but it's just flimsier. And it didn't sound like it was scrubbing as hard. Both of them have filters. The Gosvor has a large and small filter. If you don't want the small particle filter, you can just take that out. The Y-Bot's filter is bigger, but there's no small particle filter. So if your pool is cloudy or has a lot of just small particulates in it, did I really just say particulates? Yes, I did. That's fine, let's move on. You're gonna wanna go with the Gosvor. These both have handles. The Gosvor is bigger, and I like that because it's easier to hook and pull it out of the water. The Y-Bot has this little tiny handle, a little bit harder to hook. It's a small thing, but I thought I'd mention it. As far as charging, the charge port on the Gosvor is in the back. This flap pops down. Takes about 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. The Y-Bot, you have to unscrew it. There we go. Plug it in, and takes 3 hours to charge. One of the biggest differences, and my personal favorite thing, because it's just ease of use, is the control panel that's built on the Gosvor. There's a power button. Once it's on, you just tap that to cycle through the 4 different modes. Select, drop it in, go, and you're back in the house watching the YouTubes. Hopefully one of my other videos. Now there are 4 modes. The first is a smart mode, which is gonna clean your entire pool, floor, walls, water line. And then it has some intelligent things going on in there that help it to make sure it doesn't overlap when it's cleaning your pool. And that way it gets your pool clean on one cycle. If it is smaller than this number right here. The next one is floor only, the next is wall only, and the next is eco. And on eco, this has a runtime of 200 minutes, 40 minutes longer than this. The YBot just has a power button. You have to then go in the app, choose the mode that you want, drop it in the pool, and then you're good. Way too much work. I mean, who wants to do that? Now, both of these have an app. In the Gosvor app, there's all the options that are on the robot and a periodic mode that will clean the pool automatically every 48 hours. All you have to do is take it out, charge it up, and put it back. And you can set how you want it to clean depending on your pool type. The YBot has 5 cleaning modes: floor, walls, water line. It's also got a cycle timer that again will just repeat its cleaning depending on when you set it. You'd also have to take this out, charge it up, and put it back in. You can choose the pattern that it cleans, and then the layout of the pool walls, floor, and the type of surface. As far as suction power, this has more power, 3,960 gallons per hour versus 3,038. Had to write that down. I don't like numbers. And for the pool that I was cleaning, I'm glad it has more suction power because when this thing came off the wall and hit the ground, it was like a cloud of gunk exploded. There's gunk again. Gunk, gunk. Truly can't stop saying it. Now, as far as cleaning the bottom of the pool where all the stuff is, the bad stuff, I think I gotta go with the Gosvor. And the reason is because as both of these were coming from the deep end to the shallow end, there was a ramp leading to the shallow end, and when they went up, both of them did a little pop a willy. This one was like on its very back. It stayed that way until it almost hit the stairs. This popped up a little bit, but not as much. It settled back down, locked into the floor, and started sucking away. I do like both of these robots for different reasons. I like the Gosvor for the stronger suction power, the easy access controls, the better and more powerful scrub brush, and the size. It can clean in the shallow, clean in the deep, and I like how light it is. You're gonna be carrying this around a lot, and just having a big handle and a lighter robot to carry around is a good thing. With the YBot, I like its climbing power, its shape, it's able to get to hard to reach places, and it can climb stairs. Choosing between the two, I think I would have to go for the Gosvor. It's 50 bucks cheaper, you got more suction power, and the battery lasts longer. Those are good things for less money. But I'm curious to find out what you guys think. Which one did you like? Which one did you think did the better job? Let me know in the comments. If you want to check them out, I got the links below. If there's any coupon codes that I can find, I'll add them in there as well. And that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go find somebody that needs a pool cleaner or pool robot and give it to them because unfortunately, I don't have a pool. See ya. Gunk.